This is Mark Knight. He is an incredibly talented DJ and producer, or as he likes to describe himself as, a disco dad. And there isn't a better combo for a DJ to get some good speakers in his car. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Join those two together and install a massive sound system in his car.
So this is where you'll end up shortly.
So we chatted about the audio system he wanted, and he decided to go with the tweeters, mid-bass and the brand new Audison 5.11 amplifier.
Amazing, well thanks very much chaps, can't wait to get it back.
So the Lambo is now with us in our workshop facilities, and we're dropping Mark Knight off to the station, and on the way we listened to some songs in our demo car, which has a massive £25,000 audio system.
Well, gentlemen, sir.
Cool.
Yeah, keep us posted. Have a great week, and I'll speak to you soon.
Yes, man. Cool.
Right.
Catch you in a bit.
So we've had a nice chat, but now let's order some of the products and start the install. So the install is finished and Mark Knight has arrived.
Did you miss getting in and out of these things?
No. Absolute nightmare to get in and out of. Right.
You want to start her up?
I'm going to start her up.
Right, so, what do you want to listen to first?
Play me something.
Whatever you want.
All right, let's, maybe should I play it into mine, then I'll know, put the rest.
Yeah. Turn up the volume as you please.
Punchy, isn't it? Yeah. Just needs a sub now.
That's the first thing I said.
Drive it pretty down. Sounds good, yeah, sounds really good. Yeah, love it.
How does that compare to like your studio?
Well, it's a big. I think the missing component is the bottom end.
The sub.
Yeah, it's a sub.
Yeah.
That's part two.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think. But in terms of punchy tops and mids,
That's the difference.
and the fact you can actually access music.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
That's a massive win. And you can charge your phone and
Yeah.
all the most basic things.
Yeah.
So it's all cabled now.
Just cabled for the sub.
Sub,
yeah. So we've got to build the box and then mount the sub in that area.
Phase one
Phase 1 complete.
Phase 1 complete. Nailed it, boys. Nailed it.
So now it's time to get Mark's autograph up on the wall of fame and join the whole host of celebrities that we've already done work for. So that's a wrap. As you heard, there is going to be a round 2. We're going to be adding some bass into the vehicle on the second stage of this install. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.